Hello, thank you so much for joining me for my favorite kind of video. Today's an unboxing. I was so fortunate to receive some gift vouchers for a lovely art shop in South Africa called Artsavingsclub, and I used it to buy something, so I've decided to unbox them here. It arrived by courier called Aramex, and here we have the goodies. First the receipt with all the stuff, and then goodies. So I'm going to open them and show you what's inside. Let me undo all of the heavy duty plastic. I think I'll do that offline so that I don't waste your time. So now I've cut into this a bit. What I did with my gift vouchers is I ordered one big thing that was very expensive, and for the rest I decided I miss getting my art subscription boxes so much, and I love trying out new things. So I got a lot of like trial sheets and things like that. First thing I got was another empty tin, which I wanted to set up a different palette. This is a Mangyo empty palette. If I can open it. I do have some empty half pans that I can put in, so I'll be filling the palette with various half pans. I want to set up a palette of my favorite colors, I think. Then next, I got some, well, I didn't actually order these. This is a free gift from them. This is very nice. 2 different pencils. So the one is a Stabilo Carbothello and the other is a Caran d'Ache Supracolor. I don't have many of the Carbothellos at all. I have most of the Supracolors, which I absolutely love. This is such a useful color cream to go with. Supracolor is actually a watercolor pencil, but it works nicely as well without water. Then I got a testing thing for this marker with some marker paper. And the pen is a one for all acrylic pen. Oh, it's interesting. You don't have to shake it. So I will try that out. I'm going to put this aside. Well, I like to keep the things together so that I know which paper goes with what, because this paper is not marked. And if I like the paper, that is a nice thing to follow up on for marker paper. This was to try out Hahnemuhle Bristol paper, and that came, it's suitable for pencil, Indian ink, pen, fine liner, airbrush and acrylic marker. And this testing sheet, it's also acid free, came with a Derwent paint pen, which I've also not tried before. Quite a pretty pink. This does come with a shakeable. I do love trying and seeing what's available, and Artsavingsclub is so great because they send the stuff quite quickly. Then a lot of different watercolor type of things. This is, oh, look at this Fontaine 300 GSM 140 cotton watercolor paper. This is a rough texture with Dickfarben. What is that watercolor? Clairefontaine Aquarelle. Fontaine watercolor range. Okay. Anything watercolor testable I ordered because I wanted to get some more. Wonder what color that is. Oh, it's a Caran d'Ache gouache and cyan. Cyan's like the blue. I suppose it stands to reason, because that's great. I haven't got a cyan gouache. Yay! Yippee! Exciting! I love getting all sorts of things. Then this I ordered, just an inexpensive multimedia. I actually thought I was getting a watercolor. This is a multimedia pad. But for some of my things that I try out, like when I'm trying to learn to draw something new and I want to try it out with watercolor, that's awesome. Arches paper to try. This is a 300 GSM rough texture with a Cotman, Windsor & Newton Cotman. What color is that? Permanent rose. I think I've got a permanent rose, but I love it. It's one of my favorite colors, so that's awesome. Next test thing is Hahnemuhle Expressions Watercolor Introductory Kit, and that comes with, I don't know if all of you also find it so exciting to try different papers out, especially in watercoloring and markers, well, pencils too. I mean, when you buy a book you don't have an option, but so this comes with a fine, they're all 300 GSM, beautiful looking paper. It's a cold pressed matte. This is also cold pressed matte, 300 GSM, so I think those are the same. And it's sized, which is what watercolor paper is, which makes the paint and the color sit on top for a while and allows it to do its pretty things. So these are all three the same. That's nice. So I can do 3 nice little pictures and cut off that, and 3 pieces of very nice watercolor paper. I can go in there. I'll sort that out just now. Then I got another dot card of Lucas Aquarelle. These were recommended to me by Chantelet Fenter, and so I think these are the actual watercolor paints for you to try. So I think these are the professional watercolors and not the student grade, not the Lucas Studio. So that's awesome. I've got that dot card. Look, it's got two sides. I can have fun making some more swatch dolls. And then one more little thing here, which is going to need scissors to open it. Is that acrylic? I think it was also a Windsor & Newton. Oh, it's a designer gouache. It's also a reddish color. Looks nice. Where does it say the color? Can't see. Pigment gives you the number. Windsor red. Oh, that's nice. In the gouache. So I've got 2 new gouaches. That's awesome. Look at that. I shall have to start trying out my gouache soon. And then the expensive item that I ordered that I'm very excited about, which I've never had before. I've got the hot pressed, but this is quite a nice big cold pressed Arches, or some people say Arche watercolor paper. Oh, lovely. So all my goodies. Thank you so much for watching. This was fun. I enjoyed it. Bye-bye.